button there, and then you click for the drive. Then the drive will open like this. This one, you click for the drive. The drive here. So the drive are going to open it for you. As default, the Google are going to give you 15 GB. And then if you require more, you have to purchase lah from the Google. So it's around a few ringgit lah, not more than 20 ringgit I think. So mine is almost 200 GB already because I subscribe to Google. And then the next step, if you want to create any form, please make sure you create a folder. You create a folder first so that you don't mix around with all your data set and also your databases. So how to do that? You go to the new and then click the folder. Okay, can you do it? Very good. Click the folder and then you give the name of your folder. Whatever name that you like lah. I'm so stressed today, for example. That's the name of our folder, for example lah. So mine I'm going to use the number 000, 000, 000, 000, 000, AA, 000 again, 0000. Why? Because I want to make my folder on the top front on all of these 100 of folders because I got a lot of folders already. So SPSS, I'm just hit the create button. After you hit the create button, a folder are going to create it for you. Okay, is there already? Very good. After you make this kind of folder, please double click to the folder. You know double click? You click double. You know, you want me to demo? Like this. Tap tap. You double click on your folder and then it will open. And it's hang. It's hang. It's good lah. It's good. Okay. If hang, then you need to refresh, and after that, you go to your folder and double click into it. Then the drive are going to show you my drive and your folder, right? Okay, very good. So now go to the new. Go to the new. Go to the more, and then Google form. Okay, can you find it? Okay, this is the example. My drive and my new folder is already being opened. And after that, you go to the new, and then you find more, and then go to the Google form. So, new, more, Google form. The first step, create a folder. After create a folder, open up your folder. After open up your folder, create a form. And then click Google form. Done? Done, eh? Okay. Yes. Cannot done.